Forget what you knew about Gemini 2.5. Google just dropped the mic with Gemini 3. We aren't just talking about a slightly better chatbot. We are looking at a fundamental shift in AI intelligence. It's their most intelligent model to date, state-of-the-art in reasoning, and built to finally understand the intent behind your prompts, not just the keywords. Today, we break down the architecture, the insane benchmarks, and the new anti-gravity platform that turns this AI into an autonomous agent. Let's look under the hood. Gemini 3 isn't just predicting the next token. It's architected for depth and nuance. It's built to peel apart the overlapping layers of difficult problems. Technically, it's also Google's most secure model ever, featuring enhanced resistance to prompt injections and reduced sycophancy. It stops flattering you and starts solving the problem with genuine insight. It's smarter, deeper, and safer. But raw intelligence isn't nothing without the tools to use it. This is where Gemini 3 flexes. It is currently the best model in the world for multimodal understanding. We're talking text, code, images, audio, and video simultaneously. It doesn't just watch a video, it understands the physics inside it. You can show it a video of a tokamak reactor, and it can write the Python code to visualize that plasma flow. It synthesizes distinct formats into one coherent answer. For the hardest problems, Google introduces Deep Think mode. Think of this as System 2 thinking for AI. It's a dedicated, enhanced reasoning mode that takes its time to deliver a step change in capability. It's so powerful that Google is holding it back for final safety evals, releasing it only to Ultra subscribers soon. This is the mode designed to pass humanity's last exam, and the numbers back it up. The benchmarks are ridiculous. Comparison time. Against Gemini 2.5 Pro, Gemini 3 acts like a PhD candidate versus a high schooler. On the Math Arena Apex, it jumped from 0.5% to 23.4%. That is exponential. On GPQA Diamond for scientific knowledge, it hit 91.9%. And specifically for agents on SWE Bench Verified, it scored 76.2%. In the AI world, these aren't just margins, they are distinct generations of capability. But here is the real revolution. Google Antigravity. This isn't a chatbot, it's an agent-first IDE built on VS Code. Gemini 3 moves from being an assistant to an autonomous worker. In this environment, the agent controls the editor, the terminal, and even a browser. It builds, tests, and fixes its own code. It transforms software development into agent orchestration. Best part, you can drive this Ferrari for free if you know the track. If you're on the free tier, you still get superpowers. First, vibe coding in the Gemini app. Describe a retro 80s arcade game feel, and it one-shots the interactive UI. Second, inside the Antigravity IDE, utilize the visual cognitive loop. The agent writes code, opens a real Chrome window, looks at the bug, and fixes it. It creates artifacts, screenshots, and plans you can audit. So you don't just trust the black box. And yes, it can even generate your logo assets using Nano Banana right inside the IDE. Access is live right now. Gemini 3 is rolling out to everyone in the Gemini app today. For developers, you can access the API in AI Studio. And for the bold, go download the Google Antigravity IDE, available on World, Windows, Mac, and Linux. This allows you to tap into that Gemini 3 Pro power directly on your desktop. Here's the catch. The free tier of Antigravity is like having a Formula One car with a small gas tank. You get generous rate limits that refresh every 5 hours, but push it hard with complex autonomous loops, and you can drain that tank in 20 minutes. And currently, there is no button to buy more credits. You drive fast, then you wait. What's next? Google is currently taking extra time for safety evals on Deep Think mode. Expect that to hit Ultra subscribers soon. We're also watching for updates to Antigravity, specifically a paid tier to remove those limits. This is just the starting line for the Gemini 3 era. This ecosystem is evolving fast. If you want to see more such videos covering the latest AI updates, please hit that subscribe button, drop a comment, and let me know. Are you trusting an agent to touch your code production? I'll see you in the next one.